Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick get ready with me, focusing on eyes, lips, and then I have a highlight, bronze, and blush palette that I got from NARS. So for eyes, I have the Bobbi Brown Infra-Red eyeshadow palette. It is this really pretty, like orangey red with reflects of yellowish green. It is mesmerizing on the eyes. And then when you get into this palette, there's a mirror, and then there are 8 different colors. There are 3 different matte colors. There's some metallics and then some shimmers. And I think this is the type of palette that you can take everywhere with you because it has a good matte shade for setting your eye, and then you've got your darker brown as well as some metallics to kind of switch up your eye look. So we're going to be using this on the eye today. Okay, and then for blush, bronze, and highlight, I have the NARS Orgasm Infatuation palette. This is such beautiful packaging. It is a rose gold with a spiky front. I don't know if you can see the dimension on it. And then on the inside, there's a really nice mirror. There is a highlight, blush, and our bronzer. So our highlight and our blush are both called Orgasm, and then our bronzer is called Laguna. I was swatching this earlier, which is why you can see my fingerprints in here, but this highlight is just so pretty and shimmery. It's got like that pretty rosy gold pearlescent color. This blush, it's like a soft pink, and then for bronzer, it's matte with a sheen, so I didn't use it as my contour today. I did use a different bronzer for contour, but we are going to put this into the forehead area and then the rest of the face to just kind of give us a bronzy look. And then for lips, I have the Huda Beauty Power Pinks. These are 4 travel size colors. They mattify down. There's actually Trophy Wife, Jet Setter, Icon, and Medusa. These colors are really pretty. If you saw my previous video, I had the red matte Huda Beauty and they were beautiful. So I'm really excited to try these out. And today I wanted to keep my lips on more of a pinky nude side, so I think these colors will be great for that. So before I started this video, I did go ahead and do my foundation. I did my concealer, setting powder, and contour, as well as prime my eyes so that we can jump into this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. So let me zoom you in and we'll get started on this look. So for my first color, I'm going to use this color right here, Stone Cold. I'm going to put it all over my eye so that we can set the eyeshadow primer, which will make it easier for us to blend out the rest of our eyeshadows. There is a lot of fallout on this palette. Next, we're going to go in with this color Red Rock. We're going to put this into the crease for a transition shade.
Giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us.
Next, I'm going to take this color Behind the Sun. It says it's a metallic eyeshadow, but I'm going to place this all over the lid just to kind of give us a shimmer. Next, I'm going to take this color Solar Flame and put this on the outside corner just to darken it up a little bit.
Now which way do we go is a question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp.
Next, I'm going to go in with this color Interstellar on my finger and pat it on the inside corner of my eye just to give that nice gleam of shimmer. I'm going to go back in with this color Red Rock into my crease and just kind of buff out the glitter that got up there. On the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the color Red Rock. I'm going to put that all the way from the corner almost to the tear duct, but I want to leave that shimmer right there on the inside. I'm going to go in with Solar Flame and just take that from the outside corner and just smudge it a little bit in. I want to darken up the outside. I don't want it to overpower the bottom lash line.
Times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown.
And now with a clean brush, I'm just going to go in underneath and kind of blend it all together and get some of the fallout from the shimmery color off my cheek.
But we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us.
Okay, now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I've got my eyeliner and mascara done, we are ready for the NARS palette. I'm really excited to use this. I know I've swatched it, but I haven't really actually used it yet. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my blush right here in the middle. I'll be honest, I've never actually used any of the NARS blushes, highlighter, or bronzers. I've heard great things about them. I've just never wanted to spend that much on a single blush or highlighter. So when I saw the palette and all three of them were in there, I figured I would splurge on that. But I really like this color. Now I can understand why everyone's like, oh my god, the Orgasm blush is my favorite from NARS. Alright, so now we're going to go on with highlighter.
Now which way do we go is a question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to.
Just a nice sheen right there. Then on the tip of my nose, because I always like to look like Rudolph. I don't know what it is about the tip of my nose. Like, it's just, I like it to be shiny. It's weird because back in the day, everyone was like, oh my God, my skin is so oily. I need to make it matte. And then now we go and put highlighter everywhere and then we're all shiny like freaking disco balls. Am I the only one that, really? And my skin is oily, so I go and highlight, I put a setting spray on, I mattify everything else, and then over time, I get oily, I get shiny, and I have highlight, so then I'm super glistening. It's weird. Back in the day, it was like shine control, mattify, all this stuff. And now, we make ourselves shiny with highlighter.
What is fake and the risk we have to take? Will we know what is throwing up?
So the one thing I'm realizing with this mirror is it's like magnified. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way, but it's like looking, all of a sudden I'm magnified. I don't need it all up in my face. I actually really like this mirror in this palette, and I think when I go on vacation, I'm gonna end up taking this entire palette with me. Like, this has everything in there. And you know what? I just realized I forgot to do my bronzer before I highlighted my temples. Oh well. I guess I'm gonna go back in with my bronzer and then do my highlighter again. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer real quick, and then I'm gonna go redo my highlight on my forehead. And I like to put bronzer on my neck just to kind of... Now I'm going to go back in with my highlight. Now that I've actually bronzed in the right order. Okay, so for lip, I'm going to start out with lining my lip with the MAC Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in the color In Control. This is one of my favorites. It's your lip but darker, and it lasts all day. I could sit there and eat and drink and I still have it on my mouth, and then all I have to do is go in and fill in my lips with my lipstick. All right, and then the color Trophy Wife. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit the bell icon next to it to get notifications of new videos, because I post Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And until next time, thank you so much for stopping by.